Hey folks, Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash, Salisbury, Maryland. We're over here cleaning a deck and a fence, or sorry, deck and house over here in Laurel. So we're just using our booster pump system. You can see just getting nice bit of soap on there. A little bit of degreaser in here to help with the oxidation on the top here. Look at how fast that comes off of there. And again, this is garden hose pressure. This is not a pressure washer. We're not blasting this, nothing high. So that's pretty much it. We're gonna switch it over to rinse after letting this sit for another minute or two, and we'll clean up this whole back side. You can see especially too underneath these edges. And I can get a little bit on this window here. The nice thing too with our system, we actually use what's called a proportioner, and it actually dials up the exact mix that we need on this house. So we can dial it stronger, weaker, however we need it, so that we get the best possible clean.